Hi everyone, welcome to this PowerShell tutorial by Simplilearn, where we will discuss some key points of PowerShell like what is PowerShell, how does PowerShell work, why is PowerShell used, and some advantages of PowerShell. At the end, we will perform some important commands of PowerShell in the demo part. So before jumping to what PowerShell is, if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certification from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity from MIT University in collaboration with EC Council should be your right choice. This postgraduate program in cybersecurity is designed to equip with the skills required to become an expert in the rapidly growing field of cybersecurity. This cybersecurity program aims to help stay abreast of all the latest trends in the cybersecurity as well. Designed to accommodate a diverse range of learners, this course requires just a bachelor degree with a 50% average, no prior programming experience, and 1+ year of experience preferred. So for more details, use the link in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is PowerShell? PowerShell is an open source command line tool that leverages Microsoft.NET technology. It serves as both a shell and a scripting language, allowing automation of tasks and configuration for developers, IT admins, and DevOps professionals. The command line interface provides efficient control over the computer, enabling easy reproduction of commands and minimizing errors. PowerShell, a scripting language, conveys instructions from one software to another. Unlike compiled languages like Ruby or Python, it interprets commands line by line, enhancing parent software functionality for automation, data extraction, and configuration management. So moving forward, let's see how does PowerShell work. PowerShell, rooted in the .NET framework, operates more like a programming language than a traditional command line tool. It revolves around object, treating everything as an object with properties or methods. So these objects seamlessly flow through the program as input or output, manipulated by 4 types of commands: CMD-led, command-led, PowerShell function, and the third one is PowerShell script, and the fourth one is executable commands. So moving forward, let's see why is PowerShell used. So built on the .NET framework, PowerShell functions akin to a programming language rather than a typical command line tool. It centers on objects, viewing everything as an object with properties or methods. These objects fluidly move through the program as input or output, subject to manipulation by 4 types of commands. So some key points why PowerShell used are: the first one is enabling task automation. Firstly, PowerShell excels in task automation with DevOps. As a scripting language, it primarily employed for automation across various use cases. Its unique format system make it preferred choice for automation, and it's extensively with functions, classes, CMD-lets, and modules enhance its capabilities. The second one is driving data accessibility. PowerShell's popularity is also attributed to its role in data accessibility. Primarily used in administrative tasks, it provides IT admins seamless access to diverse data stores with large computer networks, including file system and registries. The third one is managing infrastructure as a code. A third reason is a PowerShell use of the desired state configuration (DSC) framework, allowing users to manage company infrastructure through configuration as code. Managers or IT admins develop PowerShell skills to push or pull configuration models for seamless composability. These skills are essential for enforcing settings, achievement, repeatable deployments, and creating declarative configuration. The fourth one is facilitating remote commands. Lastly, PowerShell broad acceptance and versatility stem from its capability to remote command facilitation. Remote work is highly sought after, and tools enabling it gains immense popularity. PowerShell enables administrators to execute remote operation on multiple systems, facilitated by Windows Management Instrument and the WS Management Protocol. And at the last, we will discuss some advantages of PowerShell. Now let's move forward and see some advantages of PowerShell. The first one is extensible format system. PowerShell simplifies user input formatting and output customization through 3 flexible formatting methods, allowing easy manipulation for any desired setting. The second one is built-in data formats. PowerShell supports data formats like CSV, JSON, and XML, enabling storage, transfer, and readability for both humans and machines. CSV, an inbuilt format, stores table data and plain data as well, with each file separated by the comma. The third one is easy automation. PowerShell employs a simple single function commandlet for task implementation, which can be used independently or combined for complex tasks. It includes over 90 basic commandlets, and developers can create and share custom commandlet, facilitating easy automation for repetitive tasks. The fourth one, we have self-service deployment. PowerShell empowers each Exchange team to independently create their commandlets, offering a significant advantage with a self-service model that allows developers to manage their feature concurrently with their development. The last one, we have consistent API. Windows APIs like Windows Management Instrumentation and Component Object Model are recognized for their unlikeness and incompleteness, leading to inefficiency in handling requests to and from the browser. So moving forward, let's jump into our demo part.
So hi guys, welcome to this demo part of PowerShell tutorial. So we will be implementing some basic commands like get content, test connection, get help, get date, and start sleeps, write host, some these type of commands. So we will implement one by one and we will see the output of the particular file. Okay, so this is our PowerShell IC screen, Windows PowerShell IC screen. So we will implement commands one by one and the output will use. Okay, so our first command is PS version table. So we will write $PS version table, right? So here this button is there, so you can run the script here. So as you can see, okay, let me make it big. Yes, so as you can see, our version table, right? So where is the addition? Desktop. So these are the table. So what is version table, right? So to check the version of PowerShell you are using on Windows 10 or 11, or open a PowerShell Windows and enter this PS version table into the prompt. So the current PowerShell version will be displayed next to the PS version. So finding your PowerShell version helps you know what PowerShell features have access to, right? So moving forward, we will implement our second command called location. So I will remove this and I will enter location, right? So first let's run it. So the path where your PowerShell IC is installed, so it will show that path, right? So my current path is this desktop. So the current working location is the default location to which commands points, right? In other words, this is the location that PowerShell uses if you don't supply an explicit path to the item or the location that is affected by the command, right? Let's move forward and see our third command, which is known as alias, right? So let's run this. As you can see here, all the alias came, right? For each object, these are all the commands, different commands of particular this PowerShell, right? So an alias is an alternate name for the commandlet, CMDlet function, or executable file you can say. So including scripts, the PowerShell includes a set of built-in function, built-in alias you can say. So you can add your own alias or function to the current session and you can use your PowerShell profile into your PowerShell profile. Okay, so let's move forward to the fourth this function, which is known as dir, right? So if I will run it, so dir, so it will tell you the directory of your particular this file name, right? Okay, so the di command in this Windows command shell shows the targeted location of a file system junction point. So in PowerShell, this information is available from the target property of the file system. So object can return by the get children and is displayed in the default output, right? So moving forward, let's see our next command. So here you can, like we used to do in different languages, like hello, we will print hello world. So how we can print here? So here we can write host. Here you can add your text, hi everyone. Okay, just you have to run it. So here, okay, this is -host. So yes, as you can see, hi everyone is printed. Okay, and you can print basic programming word hello world. Right, let's print it. So as you can see here, hello world is printed. So write host is a wrapper for write information. This allows you to use write host to emit output to the information stream. This enables the capture of suppression of data written using write host while preserving the backwards compatibility. Right. So moving forward, let's create one file name. Here I will create one file. File text document. I will name it simplilearn.txt. Okay, so this is our file simplilearn.txt. Let me make it small. Yeah, so this is our file. So here I will add text. Hi everyone, how are you? Okay, so I will save it and I will. So how you can get this content? Okay, so there is one command known as get content. So get content in PowerShell is used to read the content from the particular file, text file. Okay, so or the programs from the desired location or the specified location. So this function, this get content function, gets the content of the file one at a time and return it's a collection of objects. So how we can do it? So we have to write it here, get content and the file name simplilearn.txt. Okay, to write, I can write it here as well, but I will like to write here better visual. Simplilearn. Okay, maybe spelling mistake is there. Spelling mistake is there. Simplilearn.txt. So as you can see, we got the content. Hi everyone, how are you? And if you will check here, the data is written here. Okay, so this is how you can get content from the particular file. Moving forward, let's move to our next command, which is out file. Or if you want to append on a particular file like simplilearn.txt. If we want to write something else like I'm good, how are you, like this, any text. So how we can do? So we can write here like I'm good, what about you, right? Then here I can write out file and simplilearn.txt or file name, then append. Right. So using the out file command, so it will send output to a file, particular file. So it implicitly uses PowerShell formatting system to write to the file. So the file receives the same display representation as a terminal. Okay. So here I will run it. Okay, if we will check, see, as you can see, here it is written, I am good, what about you? Okay, we have appended particular text into the Simplilearn text file, right? What if I want to add text into a different, documentation? So for that, nothing you have to do, you have to just change the file name. So here I will write simply instead of Simplilearn. Okay, and I will run it. Right. So here file is created and it is written here, I am good, what about you? Right. This is how you can create a different file and you can add your text or you can say append your text. Right. Moving forward, we will see some get date function. So for that, I will write here. Simply, I have to write here get date. Right. Enter it. Let's run it. Okay. So as you can see, today is 11th December 2023. The time is this, the minute is this, and the seconds are this. Right. So the get date command gets a date time object that represents the current date or a date that you specify. Okay, so get date use format the date and time in a several. .NET and the Unix formats. So you can use getDate to generate a date or time character string and then send the string to the other command or program. Okay, so we will see the start sleep function. So the start sleep command suspends the activity in a script or a session for the specified period of time, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds or minutes, you can say. And you can use it for many tasks such as waiting for an operation to complete or pausing before repeating an operation. So how it will work, I will write C. Write host sleeping for 5 seconds, right? And I want background color should be black, and foreground color should be cyan lipstick, right? And here I will write start sleep seconds 5. Okay, let's run it. So watch it here carefully. Okay, in the terminal it is printed, but 1 2 3 4 5 seconds. After 5 seconds this particular thing came. So as I told you, so you can use such as a waiting for an operation to complete. So this is the operation to complete. Okay, sleeping for 5 seconds, right? And or pausing before or repeating for an operation. So this is how you can use this start sleep. Okay, you can add 10 seconds, you can add 2 seconds. If I will add 2 seconds, okay, let's add 2 seconds. See, it will pause for the 2 seconds. 1 2, that's it, and it came, right? So moving forward, let's see get command. Okay, get command. Okay, I want to get the command of write. So as you can see, all the command is starting from write, which has the right word. It came, right? So this get command gets all the commands that are listed on the computer. Okay, with write you can use any particular sort of word, including command, alias, function, filters, scripts, and application. Get command gets the commands from PowerShell modules and those imported from the other sessions as well. So this is done. So moving next, we will see the get disk. Get disk. Okay, it's running. Wait. So get disk will get the serial number of the disk, the health and the operation station and the total size of the particular disk installed into your system. Okay, so the get disk command gets one or more disk object visible to the operating system, or optionally a filtered list. Okay, or what I can do, select all, select all. As you can see here, it is telling all the things about my disk, right? Size of the disk 512, and this manual factor, everything about the disk. Okay, so moving forward, we will see our next command say test connection. Okay, so here I will write test connection, then computer name, then I will write here www.google.com, right? And I will run it. So as you can see, the IP came, okay, and the source is came, the destination is came, all the bytes and the type. So the test connection command sends internet control message protocol ICMP echo request packets or ping to one or the more report computers and return the echo message packets, right? So you can use this command to determine whether a particular computer can be contacted across an IP network or not. Okay, so moving forward to our last command, which is get help get content online, right? So let's wait. So in this page will come, it will go to the online, to the Microsoft, and it will come with the get command. Okay, get content, all the content online, right? We can't use test connection because every test connection is not online. So I use this get content online. Okay, it will open this Microsoft page and it will show you all the contents related to PowerShell, right? So yes, so we are done with our basic commands. So here we have come to end of this video. If you love anything about this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any question regarding PowerShell, please comment down below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.